Welcome to the next 27 hours on Brittany Ferries on a boat. And it's pouring.
It's not raining that much.
Oh, let's clap for the bagpiper.
He's just finished. He's up there, enjoying himself. What a lovely start to the journey, eh?
We haven't even left yet.
Should be ready soon. Should be ready soon. Should be ready soon. So yeah, join us on this 27 hours on a boat.
That's it, we've left the port of Bilbao now. Lockdown on the boat.
La traversée s'annonce nuageuse cet après-midi avec des vents de secteur ouest pour ce soir sur une mer peu pacifique. Demain matin, à partir de
Victor, are you walking sideways?
Sideways?
You can't see it, but literally like the boat sideways, and I feel like I'm gonna fall over. Oh, I can't. I've got the microphone in my hand and the camera. Whoa. Right, where to? Let's go find duty free. Can you get off your phone, mate?
I'm texting mother.
I'm having a look around duty free. I don't know that I can actually film in here, but if I just wander, a bit L'Oreal there, some perfume, Dior. I've already sprayed myself with Angel. Now I stink. Yves Saint Laurent. So I was just looking at the books because I wanted to read, because you have to pay for Wi-Fi on here, and the book I want is €18. So do I pick random books I've never heard of, 2 for £10, or do I just entertain myself some other how some way? I'm gonna do some Sudoku or learn Spanish, my first words in Spanish. Oh, if they had one in Portuguese, that would be great. Decisions.
That's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Hello, can we have one curry, one pork, please?
Yes. One French curry.
Yes,
Right in it?
yes, please. Merci.
That smells nice.
I was really thirsty, so I got 3 drinks. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me because it's quite loud in here, but maybe you can hear me now. But I was just saying, how is it possible that this is going to stay down, eating, when I'm moving side to side? I'm literally swaying while putting mayonnaise on my food.
Can you tell on what?
Pardon?
Can you tell the viewers on what? They can see it.
Oh, I'm just putting some mayonnaise on my rice. So just to let, I think you heard me order, but Bitch has got chicken curry with rice and vegetables, and I've got pork with rice and vegetables. Yum, yum, yum. Now I'm gonna try my dessert.
No, because of my man nearby.
Is it not nice? Bitch just started eating it before me.
Plus there's water.
I think I'm gonna swerve that.
Okay.
I'm not a dessert person. No, the cream's just not gonna agree with me, and it's warm.
No, it's the things.
Well,
Stuff.
I don't like it, so.
Morning, bonbons. Shut up. Bye. It's rise and shine. Rise and shine. Mm.
Morning, everyone. Just left Bonnie still asleep on a mission to find her a cup of tea. So come along with me. I'm first going to go to the top deck, go and have a look at the views, and then we're going to get a cup of tea. Let's go. It's like a labyrinth in here. Going to find the right stairs and all that.
Wow. It's windy. Freezing.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry,
Oh, sorry.
out, thank you. Oh, well, this is the carpet.
Oh. They open this side, and there we go. This is the view we got. It's the front of the ship over there. Sailing away. Got a few benches out here. We're going to go to the back because that's a smoking area. I'm not sure where we are in the sea, but we'll show you. There we go, that's the sea. No land in sight. I got a feeling we might, oh no, there's land over there on the far end corner. I got a feeling we're coming up to the edge of France where we start then going right into Portsmouth. Let's have a look at the back of the boat here for a bit. Maybe go and find a cup of tea, but come out to the deck, a bit windy, a bit below it. But there we go, back of the ship. Too early for everyone, I think. Far too early for everyone. Oh, that's a lovely sun there. Lovely sun, that is. And that is the back of the ship. You can see the line of where the boat is coming from quite a few miles in the distance. So yeah, catch you back when we go back inside. Got a few lighthouses just going past. Not sure where we're going past because there's no land that way. Now we got this land here, so I don't know if that's actually Jersey or not, or if it's the edge of France, because I know we're going to go around the edge of France and then turn in. So there's a few more ships on the horizon. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think I'll see if I can come off and get there. There's one just over that side there. But yeah, lovely lighthouse, look at that. So, came back to wake up Bonnie. Otherwise she'll sleep till we arrive in Portsmouth.
Do you know what? It's got to be probably actually the best sleep we've had, or I've had, in months. It was actually so comfortable.
It's not bad, is it?
Well, 1,000 times better than that hotel. It was like sleeping on cardboard.
Then you got rocked over to sleep.
No, that's the only thing. I was literally like sliding back and then forward, like in my bed. It was really weird. But I didn't want to get up. I wanted to stay in bed. You woke me up. I don't like being woke up.
Got to film a video for the viewers, man.
Yeah.
What are you doing? 27 on the boat sleeping?
Why not? I bought some books yesterday. Oh.
Some more dust collectors.
I think Nan might actually have this book
Black and blue.
because she likes the author.
It's alright.
Yeah. When I get time, I might read it.
I'll show you where we are. I was half right, half wrong. On my first video while I was upstairs on the deck, I said we must be coming around the corner of France. Which you are. You can see that dot flashing on the TV. But then I was wrong. I thought that lighthouse was in Jersey. Nowhere near Jersey. Miles away.
France,
So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. Just up there where that flashing bit is.
So wait, I'll look like a teacher. So we left from here.
Yeah, where have we left? Where have we left from?
Bilbao.
Bilbao. Where's Bilbao?
In Spain. Stop trying to catch me out. We're now here, which is France, and we're going just to the right of Bournemouth, which is Portsmouth.
That's nice.
So I was trying to do some calculations, and I think we'll get there before 9.
I don't think you will.
Bets on. Bets on. Come on.
If you win, you're driving.
I'm driving anyway. Alright, I need coffee.
Let's
and my
go.
throat feels a bit croaky.
Yeah, I'm a bit banged up as well. Cool. Banged up aboard. Used to be a TV show, didn't it?
Oh, it's too early for this.
So, question number 1, without further ado, here we go. Question number 1. How many of Disney's 7 dwarfs wear glasses?
I can only be the last two. I know one does.
I don't know.
Just put it. As I say, I'm sure one does.
Thanks.
That is question number 1. How many of Disney's 7 dwarfs wear glasses? We're going to move on now to question number 2. Question number 2 is, what was Elvis Presley's middle name?
Good John.
No, it's like weird. I think it's like
What's that?
French or something.
French.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not like Dave. No, it's not Frank.
Likewise. Could be made.
We leave that one blank.
Okay, we're going to move on now to question number 3. Question number 3 is, what was the name of the Addams family butler?
I literally was reading about it the other day.
Stewart.
No,
Stewart.
you got Uncle Fester, which is obviously not the butler. It begins, it's a weird name, it's like, begins with an S or something.
Stu.
No, it's not Stu.
Stu.
No.
That is question number 3. What was the name of the Addams family butler?
Oh, I was really annoying me, because I love that.
Question number 4. Question number 4 is, which rock star was born Reginald Dwight?
It's not a rock star.
Yeah. Can't see, it's a white paper. Boris.
That's
I know it is.
Question number 5 is, which is the only US state to end with the letter K? That is K for kangaroo.
it's an A. He said there's anything in Connecticut.
It's right there.
It ends with an A.
No.
It's going to be an obvious one, isn't it?
Okay, the next one is question number 6. Question number 6 is, which fictional family lives at 39 Stone Canyon Way?
Which is that? Stone Canyon.
Rules Harry Potter.
Pivot Drive. Not Stone Canyon.
The family.
Flintstones. I'm just going to write something telling me the Flintstones.
Family, right.
That is question number 6. Which fictional family lives at 39 Stone Canyon Way?
Should be writing your answers, Miles.
Question number 7. This one is a multiple choice question, so if you don't know it, you've got a 1 in 3 chance of guessing it right. Question number 7 is, who was the youngest of the Bronte sisters, Charlotte, Anne, or Emily?
Emily. I think Anne was the oldest.
The youngest of the Bronte sisters, Charlotte, Anne. Question number 8. Gonna think a little bit outside the box for this one. Question number 8. What did Buckingham Palace intruder Michael Fagan ask the Queen for as he sat on the end of her bed? So he broke into Buckingham Palace, broke into the Queen's bedroom, sat down on the end of the bed, looked at the Queen and said, any chance you've got a... What did he ask her for?
Sounds like a couple.
Does anyone think that's possibly a cup of tea?
Anyways, I'm trying to think for myself, come on.
Next up we have question number 9. Question number 9. In which sport is a shuttlecock used?
That's one I definitely know I've got right.
That is question number 9. I'd like to throw an easy one in there. Question number 9. In which sport is a shuttlecock used? Okay, we have now reached the halfway point question. Question number 10. Which historical woman has the most monuments in her honour?
I got one.
Next one is question number 11. Question number 11 is, what was the name of the now closed infamous prison in San Francisco Bay?
It's like play Call of Duty.
Although I don't know how to spell it. My spelling is so bad.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look Alcatraz. Oh yeah, I
It's a
think
C.
we could be like getting 3 here now.
Yeah, 3-hour push. Well, I know we got 3 correct.
How do you know that?
1, 2, 3. And I think that's correct as well. I know for sure there's one at least.
That is question number 11.
I think that's
What
correct
was the
question.
name of the now closed infamous prison in San Francisco Bay? Next up, question number 12. You will know the answer to this if you came to my cabaret set last night. Yeah, you came to my cabaret set last night. Just wondering if I sang this song. I did. Question number 12. What year did ABBA win Eurovision with the song Waterloo?
Okay, it was 40 years ago.
50.
40 years ago.
50. 50 last night.
So 1974. I'm gonna go with that because it's the year that Mum was born as well. So.
Question number 13. Question number 13 is, in what film did the song Moon River appear?
Don't watch movies.
Can she sing it a bit, like, so I know what song it is?
Book is in a royal.
No.
Okay, we're going to move swiftly on to question number 14. Question number 14 is, who is the only Disney princess to be based on a real person?
Cinderella.
So what the first thing I thought of? The storyline.
Another one in the what?
The Little Mermaid.
It's Little Mermaid in Copenhagen.
But it's not a real person. It's not evidential. I think Cinderella. It's not going to be like flying on a carpet. It's not going to be Aladdin.
Question number 14. Who is the only Disney princess to be based on a real person?
Can you write something that list?
I'm going to put Cinderella. How about Rapunzel? I think Rapunzel.
Write something.
Oh, Cinderella's too. Oh, I'm going to put Cinderella.
I still think it's a Little Mermaid.
Slash.
Question number 15. Question number 15 is, who were the best-selling British girl group of the 1980s?
Bananarama. I've spelt that wrong.
And what could be a better question to lead it on to? Question number 16. What is the national animal of Scotland?
I need. This is where I need that.
Your dad's gonna kill you. See if I. Oh no! What's the things you put the beavers?
The what?
The beavers.
Beavers.
There was a big thing on the.
The bullsack.
What is it?
I thought it was like a deer or a stag.
It is a stag. The shortbreads.
Stag.
See, bad when
I'm
you have
sorry.
steps.
I'm sorry. None of this is wrong.
That is
See, bad
question
the
number
biscuits
16.
and the
What is the national animal of Scotland?
It's a stag.
Is it not the Loch Ness Monster?
No. So some shortbread. What's some shortbread?
Stag.
There you go. Right.
I wrote it. But a stag is a male deer. So is it not deer?
Yeah, right. Stag there then.
Moving on now to question number 17. Question number 17 is, which Scandinavian country's flag is red, white and blue?
Norway.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Question number 18, another multiple choice question. Question number 18. Which fictional character is most frequently portrayed by different actors? Batman, James Bond, or Sherlock Holmes?
There's been three.
I think
James
Sherlock
Bonds.
Holmes.
So many movies.
Because with Sherlock Holmes, it's not just like movies. They have series and stuff.
Sherlock Holmes.
Penultimate question. Question number 19 is, which fruit is slightly radioactive?
Did he say kiwi? Radioactive.
Garbados.
Banana. It's just so complicated. Why?
The banana's got a chemical element.
Yeah, it's potassium.
We have now arrived at the final question. Question number 20. Question number 20 is, what small dog breed has a Welsh name meaning dwarf dog?
Chihuahua. Poodle. Dachshund.
Welsh.
Which is German. No, it just means it has a word that means dwarf dog in Welsh. Is it a Welsh dog?
Yay! Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Right, guys.
Right, okay, everyone count up how many you got right. Give yourself a score out of 20 and we will determine who is the
8,
smartest
9,
of
10.
all.
We got
Oh,
10.
got Alf.
We got 50%. Ooh, that's actually really good. I'm proud of that. Hello everyone, welcome back. I thought I'd do a little update because we didn't speak to you. Sorry, I can't look at the camera because I'm currently trying not to fall over. We're walking in the forest. We didn't do an update at the end. I think in future we'll go a bit more in detail about our experience on the ferry. How much things cost and if it was good, blah blah. But we just wanted to end off the video and say we're in England and we're with Mum, Dad and Nan and Pri. I'll show you around and you can see our dog Priya. 1 minute.
It's one.
Oh,
Where's
Priya!
one buns? Hey, where's one buns?
Pri!
Where's one buns? Get one buns.
Pri! Say hello everyone!
No, she said, come on, carry on walking.
I know, but I'm trying not to fall over in the mud. So, Victor, I said that we was going to do a bit of a review of the boat at a later date. We can go over costs and things like that.
Do you want to walk on that side a bit, or?
Did you hear anything I just said to you?
Yeah, you're talking about the review about the boat.
So,
I'm just asking you, do you want to walk that side, or do you want to carry on walking down here?
yeah, let's walk that way.
Come on, bro.
Do you want to do a bit of a review now?
We can do while we walk and talk.
Okay. Right then. So, where do you want to start?
Where do we want to start? Costs in terms of, instead of driving and getting a Eurotunnel to the ferry, a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper.
Saved some mileage on the car as well, so less wear and tear on the car.
I think it was only cheaper because of the time of year it was. I think with the cabin, how much was it?
For 400, I think. 400
apparently. And sorry, someone was behind us and we didn't want to film them. So yeah, and so dinner, how much did dinner cost? I think it was about 50 euros.
Yeah, I think it was, and I just got stack.
50 euros for dinner, basic food. Tasted alright. You'll probably see from the clips what we had.
French carrier.
Yeah, but it had curry. I had like pork. And then we didn't film it because literally everywhere we went on the boat there was music, so we couldn't film.
No, copyright. Can't have that.
So we had like a cooked breakfast each, and that was €8.50. And then we got coffee. Still couldn't find my tea, but as soon as I arrived, so at the moment we're staying in a caravan in Hastings with my parents until like they're leaving. I think like 10 days after us or something. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we're staying here at the moment, but as soon as we got back from Portsmouth to Hastings, Mum had a cup of tea waiting.
Yeah,
that was my first cup of tea in like 6 weeks. Yeah, very nice. And yeah, so it was a good experience, wasn't it? By the end of it, we did get bored.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Bree, do you want to say hello to YouTube?
Nah,
No.
not interested.
No.
Too many smells.
She doesn't get it. And yeah, it was a good experience, wasn't it, Victor?
That's why. Would I do it again? Probably not.
Okay.
If I had to, yeah.
Well, we did actually talk about it, didn't we? And we was like, I don't think we'd be able to go on a cruise.
Nah.
It just felt like, although you're on a boat and it's big and everything, it just felt claustrophobic.
Yeah. Although,
So-
fair play to them for trying to entertain the people with quizzes, art
Oh, yeah.
classes.
I was hoping to go on this like not making keyring course thing, but it was booked and I like fully booked and I wasn't allowed to go on it. But it was free. Like, a lot of the things were free on there.
Yeah, as I said, it was 27 hours, but they tried to entertain you, so you wasn't doubled. As I said, the first night we didn't join in the quiz because it was 60s, 70s and 80s music, and
Although I did get some of them, we didn't actually proper participate, but I still listened. And yeah.
that was it. In England, a few more days,
Yeah.
and we fly over again.
And then Freeze is going to join us at some point.
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll take Nan and the cat.
I'm so happy
Everything
to
is
see Frida.
ready. Well,
Oh, just because I watched back the video we done before we left. We didn't tidy up.
that last day we had to go out and
It
buy
was manic.
stuff.
We had to buy some stuff, like more materials and stuff, for them to carry on with things.
And then we left earlier than we was planning. We decided to stay over
In what's it called? Salamanca.
in the hotel, so that was
Yeah.
last minute booking as well. So we didn't have the long journey in the morning, 9-hour journey to Bilbao. So we just split the
Yeah.
journey.
So yeah, but I promise. When we get back, obviously Nan will be with us. We're going to start tidying up. The builders hopefully will nearly be finished, whatever they've got to do. And then we can start painting and sorting out the bedrooms. And
Yeah, and on that note,
yeah,
we'll catch you back when we get land in Portugal.
yeah. So Victor, come say bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, Brittany. You want to say?
Priya, you want to say
You wanna
bye?
say like and subscribe or what? Eh? Nah,
She's
not
like,
interested.
nah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thanks. Bye.